Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share another interesting topic, how to install MySQL database on Docker on Linux environment. In this video we will go through the process of installing MySQL on Docker. You will learn here how to pull the official MySQL Docker image, how to run MySQL container with customization setting, etc. For this installation, we need some prerequisite tasks like pre-installed Red Hat Linux 9.5 with desktop environment, sudo user with admin rights, Red Hat subscription, and pre-installed Docker. I have shared here an organized script where step by step mentioned clearly. If you follow the script sincerely and go through the script, you will do it easily. So I would like to inform you, if you guys want to know about Docker, Podman, etc., please mention in description link. I have shared the script in my description link. You can download from this link. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.